Do you love discovering simple gadgets that quietly make your life 10x easier? You're not alone. Whether it's improving home security, enhancing your kitchen flow, or solving those annoying daily problems, the right tools can completely transform your home experience. Today, I'm sharing 5 genius products that are clever, efficient, and oddly satisfying to use. Some of these are problem solvers you didn't even know existed, and trust me, once you try them, there's no going back. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Pipe Cleaner Tool. Say goodbye to clogged sinks and hair-filled drains with this incredibly handy tool. This 24.4-inch spring pipe dredging tool is designed to get deep into your bathroom, kitchen, or shower drains and pull out the mess effortlessly. With its flexible PP plus wire body, it bends and twists into tight spots with ease. The multi-tooth design grabs onto hair, food particles, or other debris and pulls them out like a pro. You don't need chemicals, you don't need a plumber. Just insert, twist, and pull. It's reusable, lightweight at just 69 grams, and can reach even those hard-to-access spots that traditional plungers can't handle. It's a must-have for households tired of calling maintenance every time the sink backs up. Number 4. Drain Hair Catcher. This one's all about prevention. Made from soft, durable silicone, this anti-blocking strainer fits over your floor drains, shower drains, and sinkholes to stop hair and debris from going down the pipes in the first place. The flexible 14 by 14 centimeter design fits most common drains, and it also works as a deodorizing plug to prevent nasty smells from coming up. Whether it's the kitchen sink, bathtub, or shower, it acts as a passive guardian for your pipes. Just lay it flat, and it does the job without interfering with water flow. It's simple, sanitary, and honestly, one of those things that saves you from big problems later on. Number 3. Hinge Sensor Light. Let's be honest, digging through a dark cabinet is no fun. That's where this cabinet hinge sensor light comes in. This tiny but mighty light is designed to fit right into your cupboard hinge and automatically lights up the moment you open the door. Number 2. Doorbell Chime. Now this one's a game changer for home security and convenience. The Curry M525 Smart Doorbell is a waterproof, wireless doorbell that works perfectly in any weather and comes with 32 ringtones and 4 volume levels. Installation is super easy. No drilling, no wires, just use double-sided tape or screws to mount it. It has an impressive 500-foot transmission range, making it great even for larger homes. Plus, it can support up to 20 accessories, so you can build an entire home alert system around it. The LED flash is perfect for households with hearing-impaired members, or just for a visual cue when someone rings. Whether you live in an apartment or a house, this sleek, reliable doorbell is a smart upgrade. Number 1. Smart Wi-Fi Camera. Now, if you want top-tier home monitoring without spending hundreds, this Tuya Smart Mini Wi-Fi IP camera is your answer. With 5MP or 8MP HD resolution, it delivers sharp, clear footage around the clock. It features auto-tracking to follow motion, two-way audio so you can speak to visitors, and advanced infrared night vision for 24/7 protection. With a 135-degree wide-angle lens, you're covering more space with fewer blind spots. The best part? It connects to the Tuya Smart app, so you can monitor everything from your phone. Whether you're traveling, at work, or just in another room, you're always connected. This indoor camera blends perfectly with any interior and adds an essential layer of security to your home. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.